Hey guys, it's Sam, and in today's video I'm going to show you my mini brands for the fridge and the ball that goes with it. So the first thing is this watermelon magnet. So if I open it up, on this side there's 3 tiny lollipops. So I got 3 of these, they're different flavors. And I got some tongs right there. And then I got some pizza that actually opens. Well, I cannot get it open, but there's pizza inside. There's a piece missing. They got this cute little dish thing. And I got some sauce. I got a drink in here too, but here's the drink. So that's it for the top, and then the bottom has these compartments in there too. And on the back, there's a switch. If you flip it, it turns blue and there's a UV light in there. So, I'm going to switch it back. Put this drink back in there because it fell out. And now, let's open the ball. Ouch. And this is what it looks like. Let's see what this is. Some milk. So what this one is. Some broccoli. So this one is. This. Let's see what this one is. Oh, another one of those drinks. Let's see what this one is. Looks like some meat or something like that. And the last one is some stuff that you warm up in the microwave. Okay, let's see what magnet I got. It looks like potatoes. I don't know. And here's the collector's guide. So that is it for this video. So make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. And my subscriber goal is 55 subscribers. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.